Good morning, squad. It's your girl Chandali. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and you already know this is a day in the life esthetician video, but this one's going to be a week long. And today we are unboxing our Marabella makeup kits. So exciting. If you guys do like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe to my tribe squad so you never miss an upload. I post new videos about my life as an esthetician and the journey every single week, every single Monday, girl, like clockwork. So make sure you're subscribed. So look at this kit. Okay, first of all, I'm just gonna say I am not a makeup guru, but there's just something about unboxing makeup that just gets me so warm and tingly inside. Like I'm just like fuzzy all over. My favorite thing that I got in the kit is the brushes, because I just needed new brushes, girl. I'm not gonna lie, I probably had like two. Because I'm not a makeup guru, girl. Also, I like the translucent powder that we got. It's that little multi-shade one. It's like multicolors. It's so pretty. Look, you peeped that deep foundation, didn't you? Okay, so what's really cool about this kit is you did get a nice starter kit so that if you wanted to like hop into doing makeup, you've got a nice little like bare bones, and that's really dope in my opinion. So just one other thing that I'm loving about school. Alright guys, here we are studying the theory behind makeup, and your girl needed it because like I said, I do not know makeup like that, so the more knowledge the better. And I have found that I actually really love doing makeup. I thought I was gonna hate it, and just a little pro tip, you never know what you're gonna learn in esthetician school. You think you're gonna be great at one thing and then you fall in love with another, so just keep your eyes and ears open. But I'm studying right now, and then I'm going to lunch. So today is Wednesday, and we're doing makeup today, and I am going to show you guys some footage of that. I did do someone's like daytime makeup already. I already did that. I just didn't record it because, girl, it's my first time doing makeup on somebody, so she was nervous. Yeah, so we're gonna do an evening look next, so I'll record a little bit of me doing makeup so you guys can see kind of what we're doing. Yeah, anyways, that's really it. Okay guys, clearly I am tired. My energy was so low, but I think I was just, listen, school is starting to like wear me down a little bit. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm like tired all the time. Plus I'm working, and I'm momming, and so it's just a series of things. So if you're going through those emotions, don't feel bad. That's my finished look on this beautiful queen there. She is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm just grateful when anybody lets me practice on them, because lower your expectations. I'm a student. No. But it is really nice to get the hands-on practice. There is the option to like practice on yourself or practice on a paper, but I personally feel like the more that I put myself in uncomfortable positions while I'm in school and I have the time to do it, the more that I'm going to be more comfortable when I'm out there working with different skin types and just skin tones. So yeah, this is my beautiful classmate Sophie. She's always in one of my videos. Oh my gosh, like a baby popped up, y'all. We lost our entire chill, and obviously Cassie's in the background. She's like, I'm gonna keep working. But anyways, here is Sophie. She's in all of my videos, so it was really great to actually like do her makeup and have her in the video like as a feature. And so here's another day. So I always tell you guys, the week doesn't stop, it keeps rolling. Girl, that is just what it is. This day this is my Saturday, so my first Saturday working. I don't have any clients because we have to do 3 Saturdays, no clients, just like being present. And we had to do a masquerade makeup, so this was what I did. What I felt like I should have did was blocked out my eyebrows. But for my first time doing a kind of avant-garde look, it's not bad. I don't think I'm gonna win the contest that we're having, but you never know. So yeah, anyways, I left this clip in here to just kind of talk to you guys about how your girl is feeling right now going to school. So school is amazing. I absolutely love going to school. I'm not gonna lie, there are a lot of petty things that happen during school that try to take you out of character. And I think when I first started school, I was like, how does drama even begin? Like, I'm such a drama-free person. But you never underestimate the boredness of people and just having nothing better to do. So drama may come to you, but you know what? I always say, be the bigger person. And not that I'm like, I don't think I'm better than anyone, but I think if I can be a bigger person, that might change how someone else might be acting towards you, or the drama that you might see happening. It might make them think twice. And my mom always taught me, be an example. So that's what I try to do. I try to spread nothing but positive energy and love and light. And you know what? I truly believe it's working, because sometimes people just don't know you, so they may feel a way. And you can't change how someone feels about you, but you can change how you feel about yourself in the situation happening. And so instead of being negative, I just look at everything as a blessing, as something to overcome, something new to experience. When you get out into the working world, there are going to be challenges and obstacles that come your way, girl, and you're going to have to overcome it. And that's just exactly what I'm doing. I'm very happy with the school that I selected, the instructors, the environment is great, and just learning and growing and feeling supported is a big reason why I selected this school. So I'm happy that hasn't changed. But just know that days are long sometimes, and that's what we're talking about right now in class. Well, guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked watching me do makeup, learning makeup. I hope I get better. I think you only get better with time and practice, so practice makes perfect. So if you are a new SC out there, I want to see you drop a comment down below. Let me know when you start school or what stage of your program you're in right now. I love to send out congratulations messages, things like that. So any way that we can connect, I love to do it. But yeah, this is my first Saturday, you guys. It's going good. I'm actually outside right now planning my next video for you. So make sure you are subscribed to my Tribe Squad by clicking the red subscribe button down below, and turn your post notifications on always so you never miss an upload. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.